guys, it's Melody Lane here, and today we have a digital mystery box. Not just any mystery box, a Disney mystery box. I am so sorry for you Canadians. This box is not able to be sold to you because Cricut does not own a license to sell in Canada the Disney images. So if you're in the United States, this mystery box is for you. If you like Disney, let me show you what's in the box. First, we have Disney Mickey Friends Spooktacular. So this one's awesome for Halloween. Look how cute. I love this skeleton one of Mickey. And there's Goofy the skeleton. Look how cute Minnie is. Is she not the cutest? So you get 12 images in this. This whole pack is worth $108. And the mystery box is only $29.99. Let's see what else is in it. Lion Guard, you get 12 of these images. This is a TV show from the Lion King. Isn't it cute? Like the bird. What's his name? Oh no. So you have these. These are all cut layered images. And next, Zum-Zum. Look at all of these. You have Mickey, you have Pluto, Winnie the Pooh, Chipmunk. And this one's Rabbit, White Rabbit. And you got Stitch. So you have all these. And not only do you have the front, you have the back, which this is so cute. Oh, and look at Dumbo and Tigger and Piglet. Look how cute they are. Okay, and next, Zootopia. Who doesn't love this movie? These are so fun. I love all these characters. Aren't they so cute? So with this one, you get 32 images. These will not be available to purchase for a while. So this is the only way to get them right now. And with this one, you get classic scenes. Disney has some Bambi, Pinocchio, and look, Jiminy Cricket. So these are fun scenes to put together. And Tangled the series. So these are characters from the TV show Tangled. Aren't they cute? So you get 12 images here. Oh, I forgot to tell you something. Zum-Zum, you not only get all of these, you get a font. The Zum-Zum font. This is the official font from Zum-Zum. So this is also included in the mystery box. But I do have to tell you, most digital mystery boxes, if you have premium access, you get 50% off. But because this is completely licensed through Disney, the only discount you will get is if you have premium access, you'll get 10% off. My code does not work. No codes will work for this. Standard access does not work for this. Font access does not work. You have to have premium access to get 10% off of this digital mystery box. There is a link below. I do get a small commission when you purchase through my link. I really appreciate it when you purchase through my link. Once you purchase the digital mystery box, all you have to do is go into Design Space and they should be there. If you don't see them, then go ahead and sign out, sign back in. You may have to go to Design Space to find them. To find the images, just click on Images. When you click on Images, this is what you'll see. So click on Cartridges and click on as the name of each cartridge. So you only have to use one word of the title. So I'm going to search Zoom. So here they all are. It's that easy. Let's try another one. Tangled. This is the Tangled one. So it's that easy, and then you click it, insert it, and that's what you got. I also wanted to show you, these are all cut, and there's lots of layers because they're so detailed. If you don't want to paper piece these together or with vinyl, you can go to the bottom of the layers panel and click flatten and do print then cut. So you have the option for any of these images to be print and cut if you don't want to piece them together. So here, if you look at the layers panel, look at all these layers that I love paper piecing, and the thicker it is, the better. I love that. But if you don't love it, or you don't have time for that, or the right colors of paper, you can just click this button, flatten. And now it's a print and cut. So it's going to print it and then cut around the outside. So it'll print to your home printer that you have hooked up to your computer or your iPad or iPhone. And then you take that and upload it to the Cricut, and the Cricut will cut it out. All right, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you using my link, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.